Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to delete recent searches on Instagram. Maybe you wanted to delete your recent searches on Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can delete your recent searches on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then from here you have to tap on your profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Once you tap it, you'll be directed into this Instagram profile. And then from here, tap on these three horizontal lines at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, from this option, select this Your Activity. After you select it, you have to scroll down and you will see in here recent searches. Simply tap on it. And then in here to delete your recent searches, simply tap on this clear all button. And as you can see, clear search history. You won't be able to undo this. If you clear your search history, you may still see accounts you've searched for a suggested result. If you want to continue, tap on this clear all. As you can see, your recent searches is now empty. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can delete recent searches on your Instagram account, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can delete your recent searches on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.